Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a super simple method to start making money online, just by using your social media and a platform called HiltoPads. If you have created an account, log into your dashboard. On the right side of your dashboard, you'll see the latest updates and news from the HiltoPads platform. To check your ad performance, go ahead and navigate to the Manage Site and Zone section. Here, you can see I've already added my website and set up ad zones to monetize web traffic. But in today's video, I'm going to focus on something different: how to monetize your social media traffic using HiltoPads. Go ahead and navigate to the Direct Link section from the menu. Click on Add Direct Link. Next, choose the category that best fits your content. You'll see two main options: Mainstream, for general content like blogs, news, tech, or entertainment. Non-mainstream, for content that's more niche or adult-focused. Once that's set, click Add Direct Link, and you're done. Your direct link is now ready to be shared and monetized. Simply copy your unique direct link. This is what you'll share on your social media platforms to start earning from your traffic. Next, we need a landing page for our direct link, because most social media platforms don't allow you to post monetized or shortened links directly. To solve that, we're going to use Google Sites, which is free and easy to use. Just go to sites.google.com, and you'll see a variety of templates you can choose from based on your needs. If you want full control, you can also start with a blank site and design it exactly how you like. Add your content, include a button or link that points to your HiltoPads direct link, and publish the page when you're ready. I'm going to customize one of these templates. You can effortlessly add, change, or remove any elements you don't need. Everything is designed to be fully customizable, so you can make it fit your style or content perfectly. I highly recommend that you choose a high-performing and informative niche when creating your direct link. Focus on topics that attract consistent traffic and provide value to your audience, like tech tutorials, finance tips, trending news, or health advice. A strong niche not only boosts your click-through rate, but also increases your earnings potential on HiltoPads. I highly recommend adding multiple buttons or call-to-action links on your landing page. Then, embed your HiltoPads direct link behind each button. This not only increases your chances of getting clicks, but also keeps your page looking clean and professional. The more strategic placements you have, the more traffic and earnings you can generate. You can embed YouTube videos directly into your landing page. Every description or text you post can be transformed into a clickable link. Simply copy your HiltoPads direct link and insert it where you're adding content. This could be short descriptions, even a caption. I also highly recommend adding multiple call-to-action buttons on your page. This gives users more chances to click and helps improve your conversion rate. For each button, simply paste in your HiltoPads direct link. The more clickable and engaging your page is, the better your earnings from traffic. Before you hit that publish button, it's essential to review your site and make sure everything looks perfect. Take a moment to check that your site is device-friendly, meaning it should look great on both mobile and laptop screens. You can do this by previewing your site on various devices, ensuring the layout, images, and links all display correctly. A responsive, well-designed site will make sure that visitors have a smooth experience, no matter what device they're using. So, double-check everything and make sure your site is ready to go live. Once everything looks good and you're happy with the details, go ahead and click Publish. Next, let's set up your domain name and adjust the visibility settings for your site. This step is important for controlling how your site appears online. After you've set everything up, just click Publish to make your site live. Now, your link is ready to share, and you can start driving traffic to earn money. Now let me show you how to promote your direct link using a Facebook page. First, head over to your Facebook page and create a new post. In the post, paste the Google Sites link that you just created earlier. After the link preview loads, you can delete the raw link from the text. Your preview will stay visible. Next, write a caption that's relevant to your site's content, something that grabs attention and encourages engagement. And finally, add a clear call to action like, "Read more on our page for full details, backhand index pointing down." Or, tap the link to explore the full guide. It's live now. This way, you're not just dropping a link. You're giving context, value, and a reason to click. When visitors show interest in your post, click on the direct link you shared and land on the page where you've placed your HiltoPads ads. You start earning. Every time they interact with your ads and watch them, your income goes up. It's a simple way to turn your social media traffic into passive income. Now that you've created your direct link, it's time to share it and start driving traffic. You can publish your landing page across a variety of platforms, including YouTube, X, formerly Twitter, Instagram, and other social media sites. The goal is to share your unique link in places where it will get noticed, whether that's in video descriptions, posts, or even in your bio sections. Just make sure you're adding value to the conversation. Share useful content, tips, or exciting news along with your link to maximize engagement and clicks. For a complete step-by-step guide, from zero to your first income, make sure to check out the full playlist linked in the description below. All the resources you need are there to help you get started and maximize your earnings with HiltoPads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.